Hey, this is Mark Bishop and thanks for watching this quick video. Now in this quick video I'm going to talk about a brand new cloud-based software called LeadIn. I'm actually in the platform at the moment. Now I'm going to quickly cover the layout of the platform and then I'm going to lead into Paul's demo because obviously it's his software and he knows exactly how it works. But straight after that demo I'm going to explain how this can be used for any marketer, how it can go viral, how you can get this to build you a huge list, and how you can get an awful lot of free traffic to run your competitions. Okay, so let's begin. You can see we're in the platform here. So initially what you need to do is into dashboard, and over here you need to set up your profile settings. Now this is an important step because if you do this initially, then each person that enters your competition just by clicking is going to be entered into your autoresponder list. So you can use this with GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp and Constant Contact. So any of those, you just paste in your form code there and your details there. So once you've done that, then you can start with your first competition, and it's very easy to use. So click there, competition, and then you'd start. Now you can build out the whole thing from inside of this software, and I think it's probably better that I just let Paul tell you exactly how it works, and then straight after that I'm going to explain how you can make an awful lot of money from it and how it will use and benefit any marketer.
Welcome to this quick demo of LeadIn, our new software that is used to build competitions, contests and sweepstakes. As you log into the dashboard, you'll see a profile and also a settings tab. In the settings, we need to set in here the HTML from your autoresponder, such as GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, Constant Contact and Active Campaign. I've set it in here for GetResponse, so we save that. If you click on the competitions tab, I'll just quickly show you in the view competitions. We have 4 templates in here, but we'll go and set up a competition now. So we click create competition, and in here it's quite self-explanatory, but we'll set up a name for the competition, then choose our start date and our end date. The next box is where you will put the terms and conditions, and in here it now shows you can log in with Facebook, Twitter and email. I'll leave that as it is. That gives 3 different options for people to log in and enter the competition. And underneath it you'll see where it says choose email service. That now shows the GetResponse, where I pasted in the code from our GetResponse account. So we save this, and it now takes us to the screen where we're given how do people want to enter, or how are you going to offer them the option to enter your competition. So refer a friend. The email it's asking for is the email that will be sent to the friend. So for example here I'm using emails from our Worldwide Competitions Net website, and then just stick a little message in here telling them what it is. Here I'm saying check out free to enter competition, and then below it gives a point value, which is basically if they carry out this action, how many entries into the competition will they get. So we'll also do tweet a message. Again, type in your message that you want to be to go out as a tweet here, and we will also type 20 characters after this, giving a link to the blog post, etc. Again, once you've done that, set your point value, how many entries, putting the tweet out, and one more I'll do, we'll visit a fan page. All you need to do here is paste in the URL of the Facebook fan page. So when the prospect or the potential user wants to enter the competition, that's where it will take them to. So we'll save that, and now we come on to the prize part of it. I'm going to offer up this software as a prize. So obviously you can see from the whatever niche you're in, you can offer prizes for anything. You change it to 2 winners and just put another description in there, which is used for the shares. Okay, next we go to the prize layout. This is where you get our drag and drop builder. I'll just drop a header in, image and text, and also a counter. For the images, you'll need to upload images. So I'll find a box shot for our software, upload that. We'll put a title for our competition, and then a quick description next to the box. In here now you can change obviously the font size, font type, and just play about with it until you're happy with it. So we save that, and to go view the competition now. You go to the running competitions, the yellow button. Hopefully you can see their new viral software competition just created. We've got the first button is get code, which is to embed it onto your website. We also have a Facebook embed code, which will put it straight onto your Facebook site, and also just a standard URL, which is what I'll click on now to show you what the competition looks like. So that's what I've just created quickly. It needs tidying up a little bit, so we can go back in and change that. Okay, hopefully this looks fine now. So there you can see that's a competition I've just created, and you can see there to log in to enter the competition via the email, Facebook, or you can use your Twitter account. So I'll click Facebook, that brings up my Facebook profile, and it offers me 3 ways to enter, which we set up at the start. So if we visit Worldwide Competitions on Facebook, I will get 1 entry into the competition. And all the time it's building up on the back end, the CMS, the social profile of all the people that are entering these competitions, which you can then export to CSV. But you get the gist of it. This here then lets me share it on Twitter, using my Twitter account. But that's it for now. I'll give you a more in-depth tutorial later. Thanks for watching.
Okay, thanks Paul for the demonstration. Now I'd like to quickly go over some of the added benefits which may not be apparent straight away. So first of all, if you look at the screen here, now this is much like any other competition box, you know, just like many other softwares. You can drop this into your site, you can drop this into Facebook, anywhere you like really. But what makes this special is the fact that every time somebody carries out one of these tasks in order to you know, be selected for a prize or to be entered into the competition, then each time they do that, they're going to be entered onto your email autoresponder list. So they go into a CSV file, they go into the back end, but if you put your form code in, then they're added to your email address. So this is a fantastic way of building leads straight away. The other aspect which Paul hasn't mentioned here is the fact that inside the software you can set this up so it can actually run viral, you know, if you want to just build leads. Or what you can do is you can set it to have not a pop-up as such, but what happens is once they've carried out one of these tasks, then you can have a CPA offer or AdSense just pop just underneath there, so you can actually make money while building a list. It's really actually very, very good. Now, of course, I did say that I'd talk about how Paul is getting an awful lot of free traffic. I can't give you the whole method, but what I can say is I just take you over there now. Okay, so what Paul's actually done in order to demonstrate this process, he's actually done a number of case studies. Now, what I'm going to explain now is going to be available in the upsell. So everything that I've explained and Paul's explained so far is the front end product. So if you want to use this the same way as you would use any competition, and this is an exceptional software, then it's all in the front end. If you want to take this to the next level, in order to get free traffic and obviously the case studies, then you're going to need to buy the upsell. But it's well worth the money, and I'm going to explain why. So as I say, Paul has done a number of case studies, and they are really, really simple to do. Take this one here, for example. Now this is a UK based one because both myself and Paul are based in the UK. This one is for grocery store, big grocery store in the UK called Tesco. It's a Tesco £25 gift card. Okay, so you can win that gift card. All you have to do is do one of the tasks, and you can see that Paul's got 180 entries, so that's 180 leads. Okay, and that is sorry, that has given him, let me just see if I drag this down here. Okay, so from that he's been able to make £61. Yeah, £61.21, and that's in 8 days. Now, of course, that might not seem like a lot, but you have to remember that in Paul's case studies, he's telling you how to get this traffic for absolutely nothing. Okay, so he doesn't do any of the work. He lists it in a couple of places, which I can't tell you the names of them, but I'll kind of go over those. They have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, in fact thousands of people looking for competitions to enter every single day. Now this may not be that targeted, But this is just for demonstration. I mean, you can set up competitions which are far more targeted. You can even do it locally, say for a beauty salon in your area. For, you know, you could set up a campaign for them. Obviously, they pay you. You take a commission. You could set up a viral campaign for them. They'd get a huge number of interest, and you know, you can charge them for the privilege. Very, very easy to do, but you can get thousands and thousands and thousands of people just coming over here and entering your competition. You get their lead. You're building a huge list straight away, and it's costing you next to nothing to do. I mean, all you have to do in this case here would be to pay for the £25 gift card. So where does all the free traffic come from? Well, as I said, I can't tell you the whole story because that is part of the upsell, and I've given my word that I won't divulge it. But what I can say is there are a number of free listing sites, and Paul has managed to integrate LeadIn, which is the software that we're talking about here, into some of the leading sites. And what that means to you is that your listings can be incorporated or built onto these platforms for absolutely zero. Okay, so you don't have to pay for a listing, and they will be accepted, and that means thousands and thousands of visitors for your competitions every single day. So you don't have to rely on things like Facebook. You don't have to buy Facebook ads if you don't want to. If you just want to do this free, then obviously you can do that. You will need the initial software, which is the front end, and you will need the upsell, which is a pro version. But I would highly recommend getting it because Paul will teach you exactly how to do that. He'll tell you which sites are going to accept your ad straight away, so you're able to get free traffic from the word go. Free traffic means free money, and it means huge lists. Okay, so hopefully that has been helpful for you. And of course, you know, if you do buy through my link, then obviously you're going to get a number of bonuses. You're going to get a number of bonuses for purchasing the front end, and then additional bonuses for purchasing the upsell.